Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. For today's video, since it's a spring season, I decided to create this makeup look. It is simple yet wearable during spring season. So if you want to learn how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. As usual, I will start on my face and I will use this Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Primer and I will apply it gently on my face. And for foundation, I will use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and I will use about like 2 pumps of this and I will apply it on my face little by little. And to blend the foundation, I will use my damp makeup sponge from Morphe. Always wet or damp your makeup sponge first before applying your foundation because it makes your product application way easier and it goes on more smoothly and it ends up in an even, streak-free finish. Also, this is a good method if your skin is dry because you can get an extra moisture from the makeup sponge. To highlight some areas on my face, I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I will apply it under my eyes, on my nose line, forehead, and chin area. I will set the concealer and I will use the Laura Mercier loose powder using a powder brush from Real Techniques. To save time, I've done my brows off cam and I used the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. Now for eyeshadow, I will use this neon palette from Huda Beauty and I will start on this pink shade and I will apply it on my crease and all over my lid. Using the same shade from the palette, I will apply it on my lower lash line using a flat brush. Off cam, I did a simple wing on my eye and I used this NYX Epic Ink Liner. I will not use any falsies for this makeup look because I just want it to be simple. So I just go on and curl my lashes and apply mascara. And for my mascara, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. For my blush, I use the one from NARS on the shade Orgasm X, and this blush is very pigmented, so I only apply it little by little on my face. To add warmth on my face, I will use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And now for highlight, I will use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and I will apply it on top of my cheekbones, my nose line, my brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Oh, and also I apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. For my lips, I use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink on the shade Dreamer. And to set everything in place, I use the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dillo Mist. So guys, that ends for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!